Welcome to Serene Life Automatic Cat Feeder. This automatic cat feeder feeding your beloved pet the right amount at the right time can be tough task with a busy schedule. This feeder take care of the job with feature that allows you to fully program your pet feeding based on the program and schedule you set. No matter what your schedule like, your pet is family and making sure it gets the love and care it deserves is the priority. Let us here at Screen Life take away one less responsibilities from your already busy life with the automatic cat feeder. By just applying a few settings, easily program your cat feeder just the way you need to regulate. They allows meal without overeating to maintain order of the care of feeding. This feeder has slot setting that you can choose each individually of schedule setting from Smart Life app can help us to make pets have a diet. If you set the feeding plan, this automatic cat feeder may take care of your pet meal and you pet may no longer be hungry. Schedule up to meals a portion dry food with the pellet size in the built decent box. Keep the pet food dry and fresh. You need to set the schedule when the feeder is make sure if the feeder loses Wi-Fi connection the feeder schedule is still. This feeder is only suitable pet food the timetable for providing. This prevent your pet from overeating. Personalized recording function call your pet when food is distributed. This automatic cat feeder distributor has dual power supply. All parts can be assembled and storage slot allows you to clearly know the amount of food. Place the feeder in the corner of the wall to prevent from tipping over. Download the Smart Life app and intelligently control the feeder through the mobile phone. After setting the meal schedule, the automatic cat feeder food machine can work normally whether online or offline. Make sure that this automatic cat feeder normally voice recording. Eliminate this feeder record your voice so that pets are no longer alone. You can share your feeder with can help feed your pets when you are not out. To keep food fresh, we provide your automatic cat feeder is controlled by the app so you can no longer about the health of your pets due to work and going out to Wi-Fi must be frequent the pet feeder to work normally. This feeder is only suitable for pet dry food. The schedule for providing pets you can develop a personalized meal plan your pet to prevent your pet from overeating. You can call your pet to eat by recording your voice. It know that you are by its side and will not sad because of your temperature. Automatic cat feeder distributor all parts can storage tank allows you to clearly know the amount of food. Place the feeder in the corner of one wall to prevent from tripping over.